Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a dolphin. Let's start off by drawing the head with a line curving to the right, a long hook here for the nose, and a bend back here for the underside. Next, draw a fin with a rounded V shape. Up above, leave a black spot here and extend the line, curving downward like so. And for the bottom, extend the underside on the other side of the fin, curving downward also. For the tail fin, extend the top line down into an S shape. And mirror that on the other end too. From the tips of the S shapes, draw a wavy line up to a midpoint to finish off the tail fin. Over the blank space on the back, draw another rounded V shape like so for the dorsal fin. Lastly, add a dot for the eye, a long thin line that curves up at the end for the mouth, and a small flat dot over here for the blowhole. And now you've got a dolphin! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.